Our Hiligaynon word for the day is balighot. Balighot. To say balighot, in English, that means to bind, fasten, lash, or knot. It also means to tie with a knot. Balighot. Balighota ang PC, dili mo pagbaluon. Balighota ang PC, dili mo pagbaluon. That means fasten the cord with a knot, not with a loop or bow. Balighota ang PC, dili mo pagbaluon. Ibalighot ining PC sa pinutos. Ibalighot ining PC sa pinutos. Tie the parcel with a string. Ibalighot ining PC sa pinutos. Ibalighot mo ako sini. Ibalighot mo ako sini. That means, bind this for me. Ibalighot mo ako sini. Ang pilak iya binalighutan sang iya panyo. Ang pilak iya binalighutan sang iya panyo. That means he or she tied the money in his or her handkerchief. Ang pilak iya binalighutan sang iya panyo. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, balighot. Balighot. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.